Hello, my name is Eric Preston, and I am a senior staff software engineer with Blackboard. And I am going to demonstrate a very common use case we have where students want to be able to add LTI content to an assignment or a discussion or a journal, etc. We get this request from every video editing, creation, management software vendor in the world, such as Kaltura, Panopto, MediaSite, Echo 360, Yuja. The list is quite long, in fact. For many cases, it is imperative that a student be able to create a video, or really any content, that they can share with their colleagues, with their instructor, to add it to an assignment, to add it to a discussion, to add it to a blog or a journal, or to their portfolio. There are many, many use cases. So let's go through an example of how Blackboard Learn handles this. I'm going to show using the Ultra experience, but it works the same in the original experience, just a different UI. So to get started as an instructor, I'm going to create an assignment. I'll start with an assignment, and I'll give it a name. And I'll make it visible to students. And I will add an essay question. And I will say, please share your favorite movie you've made of a bobcat. So that's the first question. It's worth 10 points. We're going to allow multiple attempts. We're going to change the due date to somewhere in the future and save those changes. All right, so the instructor has now done their work. And the assignment shows up in the course outline. Now, as a student, I will log into the same course. I'm logged in as Sue. I'll go to my courses, animal behavior, and I see the bobcat assignment. And if I click on the bobcat assignment, it'll tell me when it's due, how many attempts I've made, what the maximum points are, and I can view this assessment. And so I see the question, please share your favorite movie you've made of a bobcat. And it says use the editor to format your answer. So I can type in text. I can say, this is my favorite movie I've made of a bobcat. And then I could insert and add a link or attach a file. But what I'd like to do is that I've used Kaltura as my video platform for managing videos. And so I am going to use the Kaltura tool for selecting this video. So I want to insert an LTI item, which brings up my content market, which has all the LTI tools I have available. And I see that I have a Kaltura LTI tool available. It launches the Kaltura tool in a peak panel, which fundamentally is an iframe inside a div. So this is the Kaltura user interface, and I've got my library of videos. It's my media in Kaltura, and I've got my bobcat video that I've already created. I created it a while ago. And so now I'm going to embed this into the assignment that was created on the Learn side. I can give it a display name. insert that video into the assignment. And it doesn't insert a link to the video, although I could have chosen to do that. But what it does is it actually embeds the video itself in the content editor. So again, what we've done is we've put a div with an iframe inside our content editor. And I can add some more text. I hope you like it. And now I will submit my assignment. And now that I've submitted my assignment, the instructor can go back in and they can say, oh, let's look at the gradebook. I see that there is one submission. Let's look at that submission. I see that Susie has submitted. So let's look at her submission. And she's submitted one attempt so far, so I can look at that attempt. And I can watch her video right here inside the assignment submission. This is a very powerful feature that every video LTI tool vendor that we've worked with has asked for many years. And we've delivered this functionality in Ultra for the last year or so, and we are providing it for the original experience in the next release. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for your time.